Hi there, it's T with another T's Teaching Tidbit. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to add and subtract fractions using what some may call the butterfly method. It's a quick and easy way to help a child remember how to do a concept that can be quite challenging. If you use it at its simplest state, which is what I'm going to show you today, you can apply this process anytime you are adding or subtracting fractions. So let's get started. It's called the butterfly method because when you add or subtract and do your multiplication, it actually looks like a butterfly. The problem that I'm going to show you today is 2/5 plus 1/4. If we are going to simply use a model by which to add or subtract, this is a great way to do so. You first set up your problem 2/5 plus 1/4. Then what we would do is we would cross multiply. We'd cross multiply 2 and 4, which up here would be 8. You draw a little antenna like on a butterfly. 2 times 4 is 8. Then you cross multiply 5 and 1. You draw the other antenna for the butterfly and you get 5. If you're adding this particular set of fractions, you would put a plus sign right there in the middle of the antenna and add 8 plus 5. That gives us our numerator, 13. Now down at the bottom, you're going to take the bottom part of the butterfly wings, and you're going to multiply 5 times 4, and you're going to get 20. That becomes your denominator. So when adding these two fractions in a simple form would be 13/20. Now let's do the same exact process, or what we'd call method, to subtract those two fractions. Here we are with the subtraction. We have 2/5 subtract 1/4. Again, you're going to follow the same method or process. When we teach a process to our children, they can apply that same process over and over, no matter how complicated those numbers get. I'm showing you with a simple small number, fractions, but again, if you follow this method, which some call the butterfly method, I used to call it as a little girl cross multiply, you will be able to easily conduct the addition or subtraction of fractions with your child. So let's look at the subtraction one. 2/5 subtract 1/4. Again, you're going to cross multiply the butterfly wings, 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. You're going to then cross multiply 5 and 1. 5 times 1 is 5, and those go into the butterfly antennas. And because this is a subtraction problem, you're going to subtract 8. Subtract 5 is 3, which gives us our numerator. And again, we're going to multiply 5 and 4, which gives us 20, which is our denominator. So the answer to 2/5 subtract 1/4 is 3/20. Now, this particular method, which what I had said earlier is the butterfly method, this method would apply to any fractions that you're adding or subtracting. Now, sometimes when you do this, you're going to get improper fractions, which we'll probably talk about later on in the series. But for right now, we have fractions being added and subtracted using the butterfly method. I hope you find this quick and easy tip helpful for you and your child. Please like the channel by subscribing and giving your feedback. Thank you.